Who doesn't love a good snow goose hunt? This was Thanksgiving a couple years back, footage from that hunt. I want everyone to enjoy just watching how snow geese decoy when everything goes right. We were set up on a fence line in layout blinds, which really helped us hide better. The birds couldn't see us. We were about 25 yards from the pocket where the birds were landing. We had a typical U shape with our decoy. We had maybe 150 full bodies and 500, 600 socks, some clones, I think 4 clones out there. And these birds were roosting in a lake right behind us. We knew where they were close to the fence line, so we knew we could hunt the fence line really well. These were mostly juvie birds. This was a fall hunt, and everything worked out when all those birds got up off the water. I mean, they were coming in by the thousands. Turned out to be one of our best snow goose hunts yet. Just 5 guys, 1 guy videoing, 100 and some birds down. It's so hard to tell, you know, when do you want to take the shot? You gotta be patient, you gotta wait. Even though everyone else is wanting to take them right away, nothing will make you giggle like a little girl more than watching thousands of snow geese coming into your spread. We were talking, you can hear us in the video, pretty much yelling because the geese are so loud as they're flying over us. This ended up being an amazing show that God gave us, and we're so thankful for it.
You definitely take these right here. Yeah, let's get a big goose. A big goose. You recording this, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we gotta take it. Okay, next pass. Next one, we'll take it. Yep, we'll take this next pass. Yeah, because that was all. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Dude, Mike, this doesn't happen that often, man.
That's a stay tuned.
This is insane.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Coming straight in. Alright, now they're straight out. Yep. Three, guys. Everybody shoot 3 birds. Ready? I'm shooting on the far right. Yep. Yep. Yeah, shooting now.
These stupid bushes are always on my gun too. That's pissing me off a little bit there. Dang it.
Better shoot. You gotta shoot.
Good job, you guys, on that one.
Okay, we should probably take these guys. No.
Look at these guys. Up here to the left.
These guys are gone. Shit. Take that one. Take it.
Phil?
Shoot, Lawson. Nice.
Get one?
Yeah.
Nice. Where was he? What's he shooting at?
It was coming back up.
Oh.
You guys get back down.
What happened to that big?
I think next pass we should take them. Try shooting them more up top and on top of us a little. Look right here. Right here? These guys? They're gonna pop down. Once they make that final wide swing that they're about to do right here, that's when you. Is this it? Yeah.
One straight ahead, guys. Right here. Kill him. Come on, baby. That was awesome, dude. That was so cool. He got up and thought he was gonna win. He thought he was gonna get away, but no. Blow it up. Blow it up.
They're coming back.
That just blew him in the face.
Boom. Coming back. Holy shit.
That was a
Guys, get down. Holy
cinematography
shit.
masterpiece.
I'm down, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let him cook.
That was a good one, yeah.
I'm starting to grab into my ammo crate. Me too.
Good shooting on that one, boys. Good shooting.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, boys, we're getting warmed up. Guys, I'm just going to keep letting them work like that, okay? Yep.
Daddy got up. Good job. Just kidding. Are you serious? No. That's okay.
This will be a good one. Guys, we got a lot of birds and we'll let them work for quite a while.
Until there's 100
Make it worthwhile.
in the camp.
This will be a good time to have you
Holy cow. I might take a video.
Dude, this is wild.
I'm gonna get a video of these guys.
Yeah, I've got a video going.
Dude, awesome.
Oh, look at these bad boys. Oh yeah, that's it. No? No, Joe.
We got more coming, guys.
Dude, they're on the ground.
Enjoy that.
Okay. Man, look at that bad boy.
Yeah, come on.
The next pass, let's take these little guys. Yeah, we should take these right here.
Let's see if we can done it throwing up.
We should get these guys right here to the left. Can they come right in?
Let's let 1,000 come in at once.
Okay. Let's stack until we can take one shot, kill 5 birds.
Yeah.
That's our goal.
Let them get tight. We got all these birds to work with.
Unless if you see a green neck band or something crazy.
Yeah, if you feel crazy band on it, don't shoot them. Not until then. Leave them, leave them, leave them.
is going on? Dude, this is insane. Make sure your safety's up. Dude, I think I just need to take these. You just take these, please? Yeah.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, load up, blow up. Kill this one here. I got it.
There's gonna be so many wounded out there. That makes sense, right?
Dude, it's kind of sad we can only have 230.
Look at these big guys, man.
Dude, Carter could buy a license and come join.
They're attacking the decoys out there. They're breaking my decoys. You gotta kill him.
It's getting too close.
Okay, this pass right here, guys. Okay, this is it. Come on, Austin. These are like perfect.
Let's do the big
Straight
group.
towards me.
Let's do the big group.
You gotta take him. He's just so freaking. Austin, take him. Austin.
Hold on.
What the?
Oh my god.
This is it. This is the one. This is it, Austin. This is it. This is it. You ready? Yep, you got it. Do it.
There's three right there low behind me. They're flying right in.
I went 3 for 3. I don't know about you guys.
Oh yeah, definitely. Dude, them three low ones went right over me.
Because I wasn't here at 9. I was here at 10 when the last group was coming in. The last big wave. Usually if there's just it's really like once in a season hunt right now.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that's, oh yeah. That is like, Look at that, they're still doing it. Exactly what I want.
I got that on video, don't worry.
Oh yeah.
Don't put that in your video.
Oh.
Don't put that in your video.
I'm so excited.
Guys, I'm gonna let these work, okay? Yeah. We're gonna get a big ball. That's the whole thing. And then rain it out. Oh yeah, look at that. They're like lava. Yeah, I know, these are lava.
It's like all the leaves coming now.
Yeah, there's the front of the tornado. Oh, it's still coming, boys. It's building.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Mike, you gonna play this one?
This is... Look at these boys. Oh. all gonna come back again too. The next pass, boys. We gotta take them next pass. This is it, guys. Everybody take your bird. We gotta take them. Ashton, this is it. Taking them? Ashton, take them. Now?
Die, bird. Die. Get that one. No, I need to reload. God dang it. Okay. Reload and get ready. They'll come back. They'll all come right back. Right behind us, they're going to be coming too.
Guys, they're coming from the back. Come on. Look at that single. Oh, that was so nice. Maybe that thing was covered like that. Wow, look how low those are. Okay, on the left, let's take these. Let's take them, Austin. Okay. Look at these birds that are coming in behind them here. They're going up nice there. These birds are a little fast. Yeah. Okay. Look, they're going to come back around. Is it video of this? Is it video now? Oh, there's 4. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have 2 in my hands. Okay, this is it. This is it. Do it. You take these? There we go. Look at that. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Let me take these guys. Guys, this probably 50 or 60 in our spread. This might be it. This might be it. This is it. Oh. Let's shoot him. Shoot him. Take him. This is it. Honestly, this is gonna be it, right? Okay, boys. There's so many on the ground, you guys. Right on the ground. You ready? Yep. I'm shooting that blue. We really passed over us again. We gotta take them. Yeah, we gotta take them. Let's pass. I think we're losing them. Look at that blue down in there. Are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah, I can kill all these so easily.
Let's Okay, here we go. I was going to shoot him. Ready? When we come back to the takeout. Okay, ready? Yeah.
Alright, let's go! I went 3 for 3 in the spread. That was awesome. Yeah! Yeah, and the spread was perfect. Here. Got one, baby! Got one. Keep hitting them. Dude, there's more. Here.
Oh, you got it! You got that!
Yeah. He was a little ways out there, but I got him.
I'm getting to the right. One walking there.
Oh, he's done.
What do we...
Can we take these? Yeah, those are shoot that thing.
Where? Oh, jeez. That's not good. That was close. Anything in the spread? I thought there'd be stuff in the spread for sure.
Me too.
I kind of want to get like a 7-pack or something.
Coming from the back.
Alright, back down. We should shoot like at a 5-pack or something.
Huh?
We should shoot at like a 5-pack or something.
Yeah.
Here comes a single though.
Shoot. Shoot it.
Take him or not? No.
No.
Is
there anything behind us? There's a lot behind us.
Lots behind us.
Yeah, if we gotta go 4 or 5-pack, let's take it.
Yeah, there was like a group of 4.
I think 5 would be good. That single was so close I couldn't hit it.
Take it?
That was fast. Who did that? That was so quick. Dang, was that you, Joe?
That was awesome. I still high. Let me get down. We'll get down one more for us.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Ready? Yep.
Yellow!
Oh, baby. Get that one. Where is he? Right behind us. He's coming around. Coming around. Oh, he fell right there.
Oh.
He was like trying to turn and he fell. Holy. He died hard all of a sudden.
Right here?
Yep. Kill him. All right.